Today's episode is 90 reacts to Caesar Nom snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, and this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 90. Sorry for not reacting to different replacements because there's 2 characters remaining to get their snoring compilations and replacements. But this time, I'll react to Caesar Nom snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but instead of the goofy mumbling that goes, reemamamamu, neemramamu, it'll go, ho overcraft. But anyways, enjoy the reaction's craziness. 79. Anything but snoring effects? Please let me watch some TV.
Sorry. I don't care. I'm going to make you snore like number book 79 no matter what.
That was awkwardly unusual, but crazy at the same time. The video ended. Always, stay tuned for episode 487.